Hey guys, welcome back to my next nature video. I really don't know what we're gonna do, but we're on the case. I hate Mitchell. I hate my cousin. I hate all of them actually. I know it's getting migraine. I'm tired already. I'm tired, Grandpa. That's too damn bad. Oh my God. And as you can see on your right, there is just some natural grassland. And up on your right is more natural grassland. I did know. That one. Oh, wait. That one. I just want to get the car and go in the AC and go get something to drink. What's that store next to your house? The gas station? Trio. Let's go to Trio. It'll have the entire footage even if you switch. Motherfucker. Do you guys want to turn around? Mitchell's just getting stop. Get a photo of Mitchell. Take a photo. You coming? We got to make it out of here sometime. It's already midnight. No, you ruined it already. Mitchell, I have a tear by his face. Stop. Get away from me. Just keep filming. Jesus Christ. Get out, stop. And as I was saying earlier, we're gonna go on a nature hike. This is the first one. We're in Bull Valley, somewhere in a park. I don't know where we are. I'm hot, I'm thirsty. Oh man, I can't wait to get back to the car with AC. Screw nature. I hate doing these videos. They're trash. Except this cameraman seems like they're a lot better than my other cameramen. Oh, he's just recording nature and he's switching how it looks. Hey, how this guy is. He's got me destroying nature. Look at, record that too. This is destroying nature. I don't care. I took her to the O. And as you look over here, there's more trees and bushes. As you look to your left, more trees. Well, my left, more trees, more bushes. There's a swamp over there. It's like a wetlands or whatever they call it. I don't call it a swamp. I don't know. Hey, can you see me? Am I hidden right now? Oh, here, look at, record that. That looks cool. Oh, you're miles away and you're vaping. Hey, come on, zoom in the swamp. Yeah, look at that swamp. No, that makes it go, it's the left and right, it's that, yeah. Gotta hold it. Oh, maybe it doesn't work? Yeah, maybe it doesn't work. Maybe you just gotta do this. Yeah, look at that swamp. I'm a punk rocker, yes I am. Should I just make this like a channel series? Should I just go, even though it's not like I'm not like in the quote unquote forest or the wilderness, like people can live like vicariously through these videos. Like, I mean, it's just a simple trail walk. I think we've gone like less than half a mile. Hey, do you want to eat some grass? Do you want to eat some grass real quick? I heard it's healthy. Eat it. Grab it and eat it right now. I'm just kidding. You don't got to do that. Hey, should I get on that log and I can pose for it? Hey, and then once we take some video, you need to take some photos of me, okay? Oh my God. Oh my actual God. I probably gotta go the other way, huh? Oh. I'm on a log, guys. Hopefully this doesn't collapse. Great times. Okay, take some photos. So I can put on my Instagram or something. Are you taking photos? Get out of here. What? No one can hear Mitchell. Only we can hear Mitchell on mic. You better get out of here. No!